To fix the audio issue on Zoom Workplace, this is the video we use. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. If you are facing some kind of issue on Zoom Workplace, then make sure that your device is at the full volume available. So simply tap on the volume up button and make sure that it is at the very maximum speed and check if you are getting the audio or not. So if you are not getting the audio by doing the volume maximum option, then you just need to make sure that your device is connected to any kind of strong Wi-Fi or data. So if your device is not connected to any of it, then you won't be able to get the audio from the Zoom meeting itself. Now the next thing which you need to do is that you just need to open settings on a device, and from here you just need to search the app Zoom. So after searching the app Zoom, you just need to tap on it, and here you will see various options like notification, permissions and all of it. So click on the option of permission and make sure that your microphone is enabled all the time. So if you allow the microphone, then you will be able to send the voice and also able to hear it from the other person itself. So if that helps, that's good. If that doesn't, then you just need to go on the storage section of Zoom and you just need to clear the cache of the data. So after clearing the cache of the data, then you will be able to fix the no audio on Zoom Workplace issue. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.